Welcome to Sairam Tribali YouTube channel. Let us discuss Module 1 problem of single line diagram or representation of reactance and impedance diagram. The problem is like this. This is a generating station, right? So they are given on single line diagram, okay? So this one is a generating station. So without reactance, it is earthed, right? Next, there is a transformer. It is connected to delta to star with a ground will be there. So just you assume this one is a power generating station and a transformer will be there for transferring the power and transmission lines and then step down transformer and then this one is a load. So this diagram includes all the parameter of power system components, all the stages of power system components like generation will be there, transmission will be there, distribution will be there and utilization also will be there, right? Motor we have connected. So it's a good example for understanding the problem, very important also. So see here, draw the reactance diagram of the system. So the rating of the components are like this. So we have to draw reactance diagram for this one. So how will get it? This one. So there is a generator having one supply and here there is a transformer, right? And next we have transmission lines. Next we have another transformer and we have to draw here two motors. This is our reactance diagram, right? So we need to determine now, these values, reactance values. So generator they have given 15 MVA, 6.6 sub-transient reactance or reactance value 12% they have given. We need to calculate this section voltage. We want, right, for calculation of kV old and kV new. And this section and then this section, just to make a table like this, old value, new value, old value, new value, old value, new value of MAB as well as MAB and KVAB. So definitely it becomes easier, right? So generator, transformer they have given, T1 they have given, just to list out like this. So I'll show you the answer, but you do like this, okay? Just to make a table like this, there is a serial number. So here one table, here one table, here one. So this is MAB new and an MAB old, KB new, KB old and reactance value XPU new. You do like this. First you take generator. See here MAB new value and MAB old value or MAB base, see here base MAB you will get a constant, okay, new value, and then old value we need to determine, almost we get same but we need to determine. KV old you can take from the transformer primary side and secondary side or whatever. So just to solve the problem you will get this answer 0.06, 0.20, you will get like this. Finally the answer becomes. Next we have problem 2. This one is interconnected generating station. One is generator, generator 2 will be there and then motor will be there. So just to consider this one is a one power plant, okay, and this one is a one power plant, okay. This one is one power plant and another one power plant, another one motor over here. So generator here integrated connection to this one. So there is a transmission lines from here to here and then here to here, here to here. So we have a 6 transformer, they mentioned also star delta transformers, right, star to star transformer. First to draw the reactance diagram, already we discussed in the class also, same problem. So just to draw the reactance diagram and then do the problem by drawing a diagram like this, right. So finally you get this diagram, okay, by using the formula XP old is equal to XP new into KB old by KB new whole square, MAB new by MAB old formula. So finally we get this answer. Already in the first internal we asked this question in our examination paper also, right. We solved in the classroom, perfectly we have solved and then we got this diagram also. So this is a reactance diagram of that single line diagram. So just you go through that. So very important. Next we have a problem 3. They have given a question like this, okay. we have to draw the reactance diagram, right? So this part you take, this part you take, and then there is a 3 part in the transmission lines, and here, and so totally you'll get 3 to 4 sections. So first you calculate MAB base value. First you must know MAB base is 50 MVA, right? So that is a MAB this one, the NIM value, maybe volt value, and next we have 13.8 kilovolts, that is maybe KB base, and then maybe base is 50 MVA. Okay, so just to solve the problem, you'll get the answer like this. And finally you have to draw a diagram. I mean, drawing this diagram is very easy, right? So already we solved this problem. Okay, so this is this part is center part, and this one is this one, and this one is this one, right? Okay, I'll be discussing our own problem. Okay.